In daily business, have your clients ever said things like, "This film feels too soft to be durable," or "That one is hard but cracks easily during installation"? In fact, behind these complaints lies a common misunderstanding about two key performance indicators: tensile strength and elongation at break. In this video, we will explain what these two properties truly mean, why they often conflict, and how to choose the ideal film material for B2B customers. What are tensile strength and elongation at break? Tensile strength refers to the maximum pulling force a film can withstand before breaking. The higher the value, the more tear, resistant, and impact resistant it is. Elongation at break describes how far a film can be stretched before it breaks. A higher percentage indicates better flexibility and conformity during installation. These two metrics represent two different traits. One reflects strength, the other indicates flexibility. Why is it hard to achieve both? Most paint protection films on the market only perform well in one of these areas. For example, some films have excellent tensile strength, but they crack easily at curves or edges. Others are highly stretchable and easy to install, but clients may complain about poor scratch resistance. This trade-off is caused by material structure and processing methods, and understanding it is key to brand differentiation. Is it possible to have a film that is both strong and flexible? The answer is yes, but it requires advanced formulation and structural engineering. Truly high-quality films often use a combination of the following techniques to balance both properties: copolymer design, blending hard and soft segments to optimize performance; multi-layer structure, where the outer layer resists damage while the inner layer ensures flexibility; filler reinforcement, which boosts strength without compromising stretchability. These innovations not only improve overall performance, but also significantly reduce after-sales issues for B2B shops. In summary, KOTINT relies solely on tensile strength or flexibility. Material selection should not be based on feel or one-sided marketing claims. Follow us to uncover the science behind high-performance automotive films.